Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog is I will be opening this My Little Pony, or this is the part 2. I already opened this first one. Go and watch that video. This is Cherry Berry. Let's put it there. And then let's open this. So it's My Little Pony. It's I watch that video. I make a haul from the mall. Friendship is Magic collection. And here's the back. So before I open this, I'll give you 10 seconds to subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 again. So let's cut a little bit of there. Let's open it. Oh, wait guys, subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, open this again. Like this video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Oh, okay. Oh, a pic. Oh, let's get this collector guide first. This is all that you can collect, and then I'll reveal the name in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before I reveal the name, or before I show you the front, subscribe and share this video, and comment down below short clip and like this video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's lilac lakes. I think I'm not that sure. Let's put it there. Oh, sorry, my hair. So, let's see. Oh my! Oh my god! What is this? Where's Riley? Let's find it, guys. I thought it was a ultra rare. There's no. I wish I got Winkie Pie. But yeah, it's so pretty. Not too sure. So there you go, guys. So bye guys, thanks for watching and leave a comment. Bye. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell that you cannot miss any video like this one. Bye guys, love you. Watch some more of the Nerf unboxing. Bye, love you.